Hi everyone. After successfully installing FortiManager on a VM in the previous video, we're now moving on to the initial configuration. Log into FortiManager using GoA. Log in FortiManager using admin user and password. Now, let's walk through the initial setup, including setting the host name and network parameters, to get the device ready for use. After the begin configuration, you will show a dashboard of FortiManager. In the left you can show system-related information like hostname, serial number, time, version backup option and other information. Other tabs show license-related information, system resources information. Go to Device Manager and then Device and Group for Add and Manage your Fortinet device. Add device later. Go to System Settings then Administrators for create a new user as shown in my video. Create new then administrator, set username, password, type, profile and other account related information then click OK. In the Network tab, you can configure and manage interfaces and IP or network of FortiManager. Gateway and DNS also configure. In top bar there is CLI access option. Using CLI we have to check gateway ping using execute ping command. Now in the settings tab, we'll show port, services option, and FortiManager related settings. If change and edit any settings you have to apply or OK for save the settings. For change or set time and date then go to dashboard then click system time. For system backup then go to dashboard then click system configure. FortiManager offers 3 backup types, manual, scheduled, and on-demand, allowing you to secure your configuration based on your requirements. FortiSwitch Manager allows you to manage your entire switch inventory. From here, you can configure VLANs, apply switch templates, and customize various system settings. Next video will show add device and manage. Thanks for watching.